before you watch the actual thing where I'm unboxing the albums in my friend's car and getting my reactions to who I got in the thing, don't be offended if my reaction for Yo Fave wasn't the best, because I have my favorites and I have my least favorites, but that doesn't mean I don't like them. It just means I wasn't excited to get them in my album. So if you take offense to that, grow the fuck up, because this is purely my opinion and this is my reaction. So I'm going to say whatever the fuck that I wanted to say and act however the hell I wanted to act. So if you're butthurt about that, then you might as well click off this video right motherfucking now, because I'm not gonna apologize if your feelings were hurt or offended because my reaction to who I got wasn't up to your standards. Okay, now cue the damn video.
Bitch, who you got? A fucking show it to us first before you show it to yourself.
Okay.
Who's that? Oh, fuck. Oh! Oh my god! This is cute! That's
Oh, I'll take it.
Who's that? It doesn't say on the back. Oh, Woojin.
I'm fucking Woojin.
Fuck you, bitch!
You know who you got.
Random member postcards.
Is it like random?
Yes, members.
Oh.
Who the fuck?
Am I not supposed to look?
Just look now. Who is it?
Ooh, it's one.
Oh, I hate you!
And it's another one.
I fucking hate you. I'ma fight this bitch. Who the? Okay. I fucking hate this bitch. I hate this bitch right now. Ooh, this bitch. That's just the director card.
This is Joshua now.
Okay, bitch, calm down.
Oh,
fuck.
No, it's DK.
DK. Oh, okay.
You do not react to DK like that.
This dumb bitch.
I saw the signature on the bag.
Oh, okay. Shut the fuck up. I fucking hate this bitch right here.
Don't look at these.
Yeah, don't look at these. Let us look at it first. Mary, look at it.
Why do you get to do that to me? I don't like
I'll give it to you one by one.
You don't even need to show the rest. Just put them back.
Wait.
Oh, dude. The fucking shade.
Member.
Fucking shade. Okay, who that? Oh.
Here, this one. Show it this one.
Who? Oh my. Are you fucking kidding me?
Okay, where's the other photo card?
Wait. Bitch, it should be in there. You just gotta look carefully.
This is a cute ass album.
Right.
Okay, no.
What the fuck is your fucking photo card?
Oh!
Here, show it to us.
Who did you get?
My bitch Ming.
Oh wow, you got both versions of his. Oh, you got both versions, bitch. Okay.
I told you he always be popping up in my album.
Damn, alright, bitch. Fuck it up.
Really?
Very top.
There's tape. Oh, never mind.
No, there's no tape.
I thought I saw tape.
Fuck. Oh. It's like, whoa.
I don't even know what I'm.
Oh!
Okay.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Oh.
Oh.
It's Woojin.
There.
Ooh. Well, you get the group photo card for the other one.
Ooh.
So you know what? We can trade, bitch. We can trade. Okay, we can trade.
We don't give a fuck about that. This is the group thing.
That's the group one.
That's cute or whatever.
And then is that it? Oh, the circle. Who? Oh my god. Chill. Fuck. We gonna get arrested for this shit. He's just like, what the
I feel like he's gonna get
last album.
Don't jinx it,
Last
Mary.
fucking album. Let's see who the fuck we get. Oh. Wait, let's see. Who that? Who that? Who that? Is that Woojin? Oh, that's Woojin. Who's that? Oh, who's that? Oh.
Here's the group one.
Yeah, that's a
That I
good one.
don't care about.
Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Oh oh. Oh fuck.
Just think about the Kwan.
Just think
Why are you
about
closing on it?
Just think about the Kwanlin. You got Kwanlin.
And,
Okay.
And, Daniel.
And I'm trading my Kwanlin for your Daniel.
Why is
So
this not closing?
okay, bitch.
Oh.
Okay. Okay.
Is this supposed to close?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's supposed to close. It's a magnet.